something a bit different today. I've done quite a lot of motorbiking recently. I thought, good opportunity to take my long neglected DIY e-bike out for a little ride. You can see it's not exactly a mountain bike, it's not exactly a road bike, it's a bit of everything. It's got stump pegs, it's got pill grips, it's got a big old battery, and it's got a brushless hub motor on the back. Done about 3,000 miles on it since I made it. So yeah, I'm just going to go for a little bit of an explore around Reading and the surrounding areas. Right, so this is the woods at Cowsey. I'm not sure if you're supposed to be cycling through or not, but it's usually quite empty. No one seems to mind too much. Let's have a look what's around. Quite steep in places. And thorny. Probably remove this from my arm. Squirrels. Right, now this is the ancient woodlands from Henry VIII, Whitley Woods. It's also quite steep, so handy to have the electricity. There's a lot of fairly old oak trees. And cats. Lots of cats. This is the brand new Shinfield Studios. Not had a mooch around here yet, but it's massive. Looks well posh. Like a mini Hollywood, and here's a guy in a cowboy hat. Yeah, it's massive. Right, into these woods. Wrong gear for this. Down these steps. Little bridge. Hop out of here. Quick back round the BMX track, I think. And then back into the undergrowth. An obstacle. Maximum speed. It's about 25. not that sophisticated, this bike, but it is surprisingly fast. Considering how heavy it is. Good fun. Pretty sure it's this one. It's been a long time. We pop out at Harley Davidson, now on the other side of the River Loddon. And then some roads that used to go somewhere, but now do not. So awesome graffiti though. Okay, that's a big one. Seeing people say e-biking is an exercise. Limbo that. Right, hopefully that's the last obstacle. Hop this one. Got the lake. This is Dinton Pastures. Popular dog walking spot. This looks fancy. It is fancy. Check that out. It's a house and a half. Fishing lakes. Under the railway. Echo. No, not really. Get on this side. We'll get up this side. Can we get up this? Yes. Right, now come off the road and gone down past some posh houses and rejoined the Thames towpath. So here is the famous River Thames. Club. Posh boats. Entering Thames Valley Park, where one of the offices where I work is. Used to be quite posh. Now it's sort of getting a bit shabby in places. I'll show you some of this if we go off the beaten track. These were all the old BG offices, and loads of the windows were getting smashed, so they've just put steel panels on all of the glass. It's pretty crazy, but still I guess the they're all pretty empty, but like came down here once and like all the windows were smashed and like all of the pipe work and everything had been ripped out from inside. The ground was absolutely covered in water, and where it was so cold it all frozen like a mini ice rink in there. Yeah, this used to be really posh offices. Of course, now it's just empty. Look at the size of some of these brambles. Great place to go and pick blackberries, but must be someone's work to guard all of this too. So, right, can we cycle up this? Urban. Reading Gate. The Blade. Got Reading Abbey up there. Over straight now. Bit of a breeze. The Museum of English Rural Life, genuinely worth a visit.